Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study the chapter The Sound of Music, and it is the first part of it about the Evelyn Glennie. So we have studied about the up to the 6th paragraph. We are in the 7th paragraph now. As for music, she explains, it pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in my skin, my cheekbones, and even my hair. So she understands the music, or she is listening to the music throughout her body, entire body. So she says that even it comes through her skin and her cheekbones, even the cheek bones are there. So on her cheeks she is able to listen the music. And even the hair, even on the hair when the drum is playing, so she is using long hairs and she will be spreading the hairs, and even on the hairs she is able to listen to the music. So we are not able to listen these things because we are already able to listen. Okay, so because we are having the hearing capacity, so we don't use the other type of any other senses we are not using. Our skin is also able to understand the sound to some extent. You know, like the snakes are there, so the snake is not having the ear, and it is getting the sound through the skin as well as the tongue. Okay, so that is why the snake leaves out the tongue outside. So the vibrations can be understood in the tongue of the snakes. So there are different people, those who are having different talents are there, so they are listening through different ways. So she is able to listen to through her body. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. By leaning against the drum, she can feel the resonance flowing into her body. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibration pass through her bare feet and up her legs. So when she is playing the xylophone, there is a stick that she is holding, and when she is beating, the stick is vibrating, and the vibration can be understood through her fingers. At the fingertips, she is able to understand the vibrations. As well as she is standing, so she is touching the waist near to the drum, just standing near to the drum. So on the drum when she is playing, then she can understand that sound. And even she is performing the stage shows on a wooden platform, and she is not using the shoes, and she with the barefoot she will be standing on the wooden platform. So when she is playing the music, that sound, the vibration on the wooden platform can be understood through her legs. So these are the different ways in which she senses the music. So we are listening through our ears, but she is not having the capacity to listen through her ears. So she is understanding or getting the vibrations through different means. Not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audiences. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. So in the year 1991, she got the Soloist of the Year, means best performer. Solo means a single person, one person is playing the music. So best performer of the year award she got, and she became very much famous. She became one of the topmost musicians in the world. Says master percussionist James Blades, God may have taken her hearing, but He has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. So we listen to the music, but we don't listen it in a deep way, because we are having the capacity to listen, so we just listen it as it is. But she is not having the capacity to listen, but she understands the music in a different manner, and she is understanding, she is feeling the music, not listening to the music. She is feeling the music in a different way. So it is more deeply than we are listening. So when we listen to the music, we can understand the sound. Different sounds are there. So when you hear a sound, you can understand it is which tone is there, almost how much distance this sound is coming from. All these type of things we can understand. Is you know. So if you give more concentration on the sound, see like if somebody is speaking, two people are speaking from a faraway place. So you can understand even without seeing that person, you can able to identify who is speaking. You know, if you observe very neatly. Otherwise, simply hear it just as a sound like that. But when you are able to listen it very keenly, if you observe, then you can understand who is speaking. And if you again more attention, if you are giving, even you can understand what they are speaking. You know. So, but in the same way, she is unable to listen, but she is able to feel the music, feel it through her body. So it is even more deep than what we listen. So that is why she is able to express music in a very beautiful manner. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. I have just got to work. So she is workaholic. So you might have heard the word like alcoholic. People, those who are addicted to alcohol and all, is considered as an alcoholic. So this is there like some person who is addicted to work is called as a workaholic. Means he is always ready to work. There are some people, some students are there, they are always studying. You know, we call them as like bookworms and all. So they are called as a workaholic. So they want to do the work in the best possible manner. Some people are there like that. So they are whatever may be the job that they are doing, they want to do it in the best possible manner. So they give their full efforts for doing the work. Okay. So they do more and more many times. If it is going wrong, then they do it again and again. So such a way they make it. So she is also like that. So she is very much a workaholic and she is interested to do the work again and again. So she is ready to do hard work, very deep hard work she is able to do. Often harder than classical musicians, but the rewards are enormous. So she says that even she is ready to work hard, even harder than other people, normal musicians. So and the result, the reward that she is getting for the hard work is very much big or very enormous. Enormous means very strong or big. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. Anne Richling of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says, she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. So she is not just doing it for the money purposes or she is for making money, but she is doing so many charitable works also. She is doing so many free concerts. So she conducted a lot amount of programs like that. So normally she is conducting so many programs, but along with that she is doing some free concerts in prisons and hospitals. So people, those who are in the prisons, they don't have any kind of entertainment, so she give free performances there, as well as in the hospitals or such type of things. And where there is like some deaf people are there, especially like the deaf children are there, so there she goes and gives the people inspiration. So these deaf people, when she is coming and performing here, and when they see this person, so the other deaf people also feel that if she is able to reach to the topmost position in the world, even after being deaf, why can't we? You know, we are also deaf, but we can also reach to the topmost position. So that motivation is given to the deaf people, deaf children. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped, people who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. So she is very much a special type of a person, and she has accomplished almost all the awards, even more than twice of her age. At the age of, means like if a person is at the age of 20 or 25, she is able to gain more awards than a person who is at the age of 50 can get. Okay, so even twice of her age, people, those who have already, the other musicians are all gained in the twice age, but that she has gained in the smaller age itself. And she has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra. So these percussion instruments, the drums and these type of instruments are considered as the backline instruments. So you know, see, like in an orchestra is here, so the drum and other things are kept at the back, and like a flute or like a guitar, all these type of instruments are kept forward earlier. But she has brought this one into the front. So people, you might have seen like in this earlier where was like 2020 matches and all are there, and that you might have seen that one for this Chennai Super Kings there is a person called Mani, drum Mani is there. Okay, so he is from Tamil Nadu and he is playing drums. So you might have observed or watched him. He is coming and playing. So it is very interesting to see that person is playing. So it's such a way the playing of drums and all the type of things are also become very much famous nowadays. Okay, so she also has brought and people started observing the things, and earlier it was not considered. It was just like a side drum or just like a side musical instrument was considered. But she has brought it to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving, very interesting. People are also interesting to watch this. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped. So those who are handicapped, those who are having deaf, dumb, all these type of people, she gave a lot amount of inspiration to them, as well as she became very much famous. And she gave a saying like that: if she can do it, I can do. So the people, those who are handicapped, they started thinking that if she can do, I can also do. So such kind of a feeling is created in the minds of the handicapped people. And not at the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. So she has performed lot amount of performances, and she has given enormous pleasure to millions of people. Okay, so that is all about the chapter. Thank you so much.